At Pella, we believe the markets look very fully valued, particularly the high growth segments of the markets. I have mentioned this before, but if you look at the inverse of the PE ratio, known as the earnings yield, so think of that as the yield you get in on the stock market. It is now lower than the yield you can get on treasuries. So treasuries are lower risk and you can get a better yield on them than in the stock market. So the market has to be pricing in something. So it may be pricing in either a lot of growth or reduced risk, or interest rates are going to be cut. Now, all three of those scenarios are a bit of a head scratchers for us, and we believe the market looks very fully valued, but it's not everywhere. It's really in those, I think they call the Magnificent Seven, those big seven growth tech names in the US that have really propelled the market higher, and it's making it look very fully valued now. So we would be looking for value elsewhere.
Looking for value elsewhere, and we'll talk about exactly where in just a bit. But you're describing a market where it's being held up by the Magnificent Seven. So thank you, Sergio Leone. Which sounds like you're saying, look, the market is on thin ice, and there are cracks starting to show in that ice.
Look, if there's cracks, they're very minor at this stage. So we have seen some days where the market has pulled away from tech, but it's really very strange because during the whole period of QE, everyone thought that it was low interest rates and the markets being awash with money that pushed up those growth names. But now we've kind of got the exact opposite, and yet it's still happening. So it's a real head scratcher, but we think that it is quite dangerous to play that game now of buying those big tech names, because we saw what happened last year when interest rates went up. They got hit pretty hard. So we haven't seen major fissures in the market yet, but we know that they could be there in the second half.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.